in terms of safety, they did make sure that they did all the normal things when they're testing. So in other words, for vaccines, you have to test 30,000, 40,000 people. So they didn't skimp on that. They made sure they did all the proper studies. They tracked everybody's symptoms. And so this is why we have lots of information as to what people can expect. We know that people will get some body aches and things like that. And we know that because they did very good studies to look for the safety side of the vaccine as well. Right at the beginning, we did see people having allergic reactions, and there will be, unfortunately, because some people are just built that way. So there are some components within the vaccine that is like a carrier. In other words, that little messenger RNA, for example, has a little ball of fat around it to make it stable. But to make the fat hang out with water, they had to put some little molecules on there called PEG, and that helps it hang out with water and get around easier. Some people will be allergic to that peg. And just like I don't know if you're allergic to peanuts until you eat peanuts, right? So it's the same kind of situation. The first time they put out data, they said we vaccinated 1.9 million people, and there were about 21 people that had the allergic reaction, the bad kind. And so the good news is that everybody did well. So they were treated, they did very well. So when we start vaccinating millions of people here in Canada, we will find some people. So that's why we have rules about once you get the shot, we want you to wait. We wanted you to wait 15 to 30 minutes to make sure that there's no reactions. And most of the reactions happen during that time. If you're a very allergic person, then we want to look at your history. Have you had allergies to other shots and things like that? So we take lots of care.